All right, I'm going to show you how all of these buttons on here work, how the toggles work, and how to use this controller. First thing you got to do, open her up, right? It takes AAA batteries. That's another video. I'll show that to you later. Right in front here is the cradle. You grab it here, and you pop it open, and you can go ahead and you can insert a phone, right? Let's go ahead and push in this. You can put up to a Pro Max in it. All right, so anyway, here it is. Here's your controller. And this is the universal on and off button right here, okay? So you're going to press that and hold it to turn the drone on. Over here is your speed. We've got it on slow, right? On 1. The drone comes in mode 1. In mode 1, all right, in mode 1, this piece right here is going to be the left, and this is going to be the right. But I'm kind of showing it to you backwards. So this right here is the universal takeoff button. If I press that, the drone takes off. Okay? All right? So that's how you get it up in the air. This is the panic stop button. All right? You press that if you want to stop it. Over here, this button right here, if you press that, the drone's going to fly around you in a circle at about 5 meters. So you've got to have at least 5 meters all the way around you. And what that means that you really have to have a 10-meter diameter for your circle. Make sure there's no obstacles. This right here, if you press it, it does a 360 flip. A 360 flip. I don't know if you're ready to do that, but that's what that does. So that's a 360 flip. That's a 5 meter radius or a 10-meter diameter circle around you. This is stop, and this is takeoff. All right, so once you get the thing up in the air, if you want it to go up, you would push this toggle this way. If you want it to come down, you would push it that way. If you want it to go to the left, I would push it this way. If I want it to go to the right, I would push it that way. Or turn. It would spin, turn to the right. Over here, this makes it go forward. This makes it go back. This makes it go to the left. This makes it go to the right. Okay? So that's basically how it works. Let me flip over this way so you can see. So now, here I am. This makes it go up, makes it go down, makes it turn left, makes it turn right. This makes it go forward. This makes it go back. This makes it go to the left. This makes it go to the right. And what I'm talking about is the drone would be like this. It would go like this. It doesn't turn that way. It slides to the side. So the drone can go forward and backwards and left and right without changing any of its attitude. Do you follow me? So this keeps it in the same attitude with the camera facing that way, but it just moves sideways like this. So your camera would be shooting that direction the whole time. You follow me? But if I go like this, the drone can spin around. Once the drone's facing me, if I push it forward, it comes towards me. If I want it to go backwards, I go like that. So you got to be, it's kind of opposite. If I go this way, it would go right. If I go this way, it goes left. So depending on the attitude of the drone is going to depend on which way it goes when you press this one on this side. But that's pretty much basically it. And that is your controller. And now all we've got to do is go outside and fly this bad boy. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.